மார்னிங் சில்ட்ரன். இன்றைக்கி நம்ம பார்க்க போகிற லெசனோட பேர் பிளான்ஸ் கிங்டம். வித்தவுட் பிளான்ஸ் வி டு நாட் லிவிங் இன் த எர்த். பிளான்ட் இல்லாமல் நம்ம இந்த எர்த்தில் உயிர் வாழ முடியுமா அப்படின்னா முடியாது.
The living organism found on the earth differ in their structure, habitat, habit, mode of the nutrition and physiology. The estimate number of plant species on the earth is 8.7 million. Among them, 6.5 million species are living on the land and 2.2 million species are living in the ocean. Out of them, 4 lakh species are flowering plants. Living organisms show lot of the similarities and differences so that they can be arranged into many groups systematically. In traditional system of classification, plant kingdom is divided into sub-kingdoms called non-flowering plants and flowering plants. It is classified into 2 types, one flowering plants, another one non-flowering plants. Algae is a Latin word. Algae seaweeds. They are chlorophyll bearing simple and primitive plants. These plants are heterotrophs. Algae belongs to phyta and plant's body of algae is called thallus. The plant body into not differentiate into root. Most of the algae are living into aquatic region. It may be freshwater or marine water. Very few algae can be survive in wet soil. Some algae are very minute and float on the surface of the water. This algae is called phytoplankton. Mutually benefits. Lichen. A few species of algae are abibites. The branches of study of algae is biology or alkalogy. Algae reproduce by 3 methods. They are vegetative reproduction, takes place by fragmentation, example Spirogyra. Asexual reproduction takes place by spore formation, Chlamydomonas. Sexual reproduction takes place by means of fusion of gametes, example Spirogyra shara. Classification of algae. Algae are classified into different types based on the pigments. They are cyanobacin starch. Economic importance of algae. Food. Algae are consumed as food by people in Japan, England and also India. Halva, Perilla. Some algae are used as food for domestic animals. Example, Laminaria, Astrospirillum. Agriculture. Some of the blue-green algae are essential for the fixing of atmospheric nitrogen into the soil, which increase the fertility of the soil. Example, Nastic, Hanabina. Next one, Agar agar. Agar agar is extracted from some red algae, namely Galdium and Gracilia. It is used to prepare growth medium in laboratories. Iodine. Iodine is obtained from brown algae like Laminaria. Space travel. Chlorella praenulodosa is used in space travel to get rid of CO2 and to decompose human waste. Single cell protein. Some of the algae, single cell algae and blue-green algae are used to produce protein. Example, Spirulina. Next one, fungi. Fungi, singular fungus, belongs to Alobita. It is plant's body is not differentiate into root, system and leaves. The plant body of fungus consists of filament-like structure called hypa. Several hypae are arranged into the form of network called mycelium. The cells of fungi are multicellular and eukaryotic. Some species of fungi like yeast are unicellular and eukaryotic. Cell wall of fungi is made up of a chemical substance called chitin. The reserve food materials of fungi are glycogen and oil. They have no starch because they have no chlorophyll pigments. So they are heterotrophs. Heterotrophs are of three types, namely parasites, saprophytes and symbiotes. Species of fungus live as parasites. They absorb food from the living organism with the help of species root called species. Some species of fungi live as saprophytes. They grow upon the dead and decaying organic matter and get food from them. Example, ribosomes. Some species of fungi are living with algae and mutually benefits. Example, lichen. Some of the living symbiotically. Some of them living with higher plants in their roots called economic importance of fungi. Fungi are used to as in many ways. The importance of fungi are given below. Antibiotic, penicillium and aspirin, which cure different diseases, are obtained from fungi. Food, mushroom contains rich protein and minerals. The most common edible mushrooms is vitamins. Fungus like Aspergillus and Cesium gaspier are used to produce vitamin, that is called riboflavin. Alcohol, fungus like yeast contains enzymes. Invertase yeast contain enzymes, invertase and zymes, which ferment the sugar